Now to a warning for Thanksgiving about a deadly salmonella outbreak in turkeys. ABC's Lindsay Davis here with the latest. And Lindsay, we still don't know which brands are contaminated.
We don't know, and really the timing couldn't be worse. The warning comes as millions of Americans across the country prepare for Thanksgiving. And Consumer Reports says this is putting anyone planning to eat turkey at risk. There is an outbreak of a drug-resistant strain of salmonella that is linked to raw turkey products. Since the outbreak began last year, this strain has been associated with the illnesses of 164 people in 35 states, including one death in California. Now Consumer Reports is calling on the USDA to name the brands involved in the outbreak, George.
So what is the USDA saying?
The USDA is saying, look, we don't know. And they released a statement to ABC News saying they have not identified a source or supplier of the product or products that are making consumers ill. If we had specific products that we could alert consumers with a public health alert, we would issue one.
We will be watching for it. Okay, Lindsay, thanks very much. Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.